Hello and welcome to DocForma. In this video, we will show you how simple it is to move from function to function. We'll start with a summarized document and go directly to the summary output. Note the horizontal buttons above the summary. To check the grammar of the summarized output, I click the grammar button, which then copies the content to the input box of the grammar checker. I click on the Run button to check my grammar. The corrected content appears under Output. Note the yellow and red markup, which indicates grammar corrections. I now click on the Paraphraser button appearing at the top of the output field. My grammar-corrected content is then automatically copied to the input field of the paraphraser. At this point, I click the Run button. The paraphraser will give you two types of output: auto, which is a rephrasing of the entire input content, or manual, which gives you two rephrased options for each sentence. You may use either output type: auto, the entire rephrased content, or manual, where you scroll through the tab and choose which rephrased sentences you would like to use for your final draft. The rephrased paragraph under auto is finished, but manual is still running. We will wait for it to complete before we move on to the next step. In this example, we will use the output created under Auto and transfer it to the translator. I click the Translator button at the top, which will automatically transfer my content to the translator's input field and detect the language, but I must select the target language. I choose French and click the Run button. The translator promptly translates my content to French. From here, I can transfer the output to the download editor and then save it to a Word document or plain text file. As you can see, moving from function to function is very simple. Thanks for watching. For more helpful videos, go to the DocForma video channel.